Hey there! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reset VLC Media Player back to its default settings. This is useful if you're experiencing issues, want to undo customizations, or just need a fresh start. The whole process takes less than a minute, so let's dive right in. First, launch VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open and running, we'll head to the Settings menu. Look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+, on Mac to get here faster. In the Preferences window, scroll down to the bottom left corner. You'll see a button labeled Reset Preferences. Go ahead and click it. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking if you're sure you want to reset. This will restore all settings to their original defaults, so if you're certain, click OK to proceed. Now, completely close VLC Media Player. This is important, make sure it's fully closed, not just minimized. Then, reopen VLC, and your reset is complete. And there you have it! Your VLC Media Player is now reset to factory settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.